Students, today we will discuss the chemical properties of amines. So first of all, we will discuss the basic character of amines. Ammonia is basic in nature. All of you know ammonia is basic in nature due to presence of lone pair. So like ammonia, amines are also basic in nature due to presence of lone pair. Ammonia reacts with water to give ammonium hydroxide. OH ion is there. Same here, amines also reacts with water to give alkyl ammonium and hydroxide ion. So due to presence of these hydroxide ion, the aqueous solution of amines are basic in nature. That's why amines are basic in nature. The basic strength of amine is expressed in the terms of dissociation constant. Dissociation constant means Kb. Kb also called basicity constant. So greater the value of Kb, stronger is the base. जितनी ज़्यादा Kb की वैल्यू होगी उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कैसा होगा, बेस होगा. तो बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ एमीन कैन ऑल्सो बी एक्सप्रेस इन टर्म ऑफ pKb वैल्यू. pKb इज इक्वल टू माइनस लॉ ऑफ Kb मीन्स द स्मॉलर द वैल्यू ऑफ pKb मोर इज द बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ एमीन्स. जितनी ज़्यादा आपकी बेसिक कैरेक्टर होगा मीन्स उतनी pKb वैल्यू कम होगी. सपोज आपका जो है बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ बहुत कम है तो pKb वैल्यू क्या होगी, मोर होगी. नाउ द कंपैरिजन ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ एलिफेटिक एमीन्स एंड अमोनिया. Aliphatic amines means R group attached with amines. RNH2, this is the R group. R group, due to presence of R group means alkyl group. Alkyl group is electron releasing group. Electron releasing group increase the electron density, or R group is electron donating in nature, so it increase the electron density on nitrogen atom, and they can donate the electron pair of electron more easily than ammonia. सपोज आपका क्वेश्चन आता है कि वाई मिथाइलामीन इज मोर बेसिक देन अमोनिया और इथाइलामीन इज मोर बेसिक देन अमोनिया. तो ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ एल्काइल ग्रुप, मिथाइल ग्रुप और इथाइल ग्रुप आर इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप मीन्स, और आर ग्रुप आर इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग मीन्स दे शो प्लस आई इफेक्ट. प्लस आई मीन्स इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट. Now the comparison of aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Aromatic means this is the aryl group attached with NH2 group. This is the alkyl group attached with NH2 group. So aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines and ammonia, because in aromatic amines the lone pair of nitrogen participate in resonance. This is the lone pair participate in resonance. So aromatic amines show form resonating structure. The lone pair used in the formation of resonance, participate in the resonance. That's why the aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines. Now the effect of substituent on the basic character of aromatic amines means इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप का क्या इफेक्ट है और इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप का क्या इफेक्ट होगा. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप इंक्रीज द बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ, एंड electron donating group increase the basic strength and electron withdrawing group decrease the basic strength. For example, this is the NH2 group and this is the methyl group. Methyl group is electron releasing group and NO2 group is the electron withdrawing group. So this is a more basic than NO2 group. Why? Because methyl group is electron releasing group and NO2 group is the electron withdrawing group. So electron